Hello, welcome to Crypto Money Gurume. Uh, so today we will talk about Cardano and ADA and our biggest future competitor of our Cardano, ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you can say. And right now its price is as the price once like this Cardano, ADA's price. And it is better than Cardano, and it will be better than Cardano when its complete smart contract platform will be launched. And I am going to tell you a cryptocurrency project which is right now in the developing mode, and it will make you millionaire if you missed the Cardano opportunity right now, because once Cardano ADA was sometime in 2019-20, it was around 3 cent, 4 cent, 5 cent, you can see. But right now, what a price jump, what a jump. It's around $1.93. So if you are looking and want another opportunity like Cardano, then here is that Apollo currency APL. Its ticker is APL. What is Apollo currency? Today we will discuss about it. Apollo currency has accomplished its goal to become the world's fastest cryptocurrency with a sustainable blockchain, as well as one of the most feature rich. Apollo was built with the rigorous demand of genuine mass adoption in mind, and it has proven its capabilities through its proprietary mass adoption technology. And how it is better, today I am going to tell you. They already have launched their wallets, window wallets, Linux wallet, web wallet, OS X wallets, iOS wallet. Ticker is Apollo, total supply is this, circulating supply is this, almost, and proof of stake, and already listed in top crypto exchanges and roadmap. You can see it was started in 2017, and they have completed these tasks already. Core refactoring, blockchain transport, everything they have completed, and now they are in this. Okay, and now what is this? It's a comparison chart in between APL, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, LTC, Dash, XRM, TRX, Tron. And this cryptocurrency is most undervalued cryptocurrency, and you will be able to sell this cryptocurrency. You will see its price around $2, $3 when its proof of stake will be launched, and people will adopt this cryptocurrency completely. And in next bull run, you will see its price will be 100x soon. And how it is better than, you can see private transaction. It have this potential, but BTC, Ethereum, XRP, LTC, they don't have. Dash have, XMR have, and Tron don't have. Public blockchain, mostly all cryptocurrency have, but only XMR don't have this feature. IP masking, this cryptocurrency have, APL have, but other don't have. Monetary system, the APL have, BTC don't have this feature. Ethereum this feature have, Tron this feature have, but others don't have. Asset system, this APL have, Ethereum have, others don't have. Coin shuffling, APL have, others don't have, and only Dash have this feature. Alias system, APL have, Ethereum have, other don't have. Multi-signature account, APL, Bitcoin, XRP, and Dash have, others don't have. Encrypted messaging, the APL have, others don't have. Decentralized exchange, APL have, and XRP have, others don't have. and Tron have. Decentralized marketplace APL have this feature. Apollo APL means Apollo, and other don't have. Phased transactions Apollo have, others don't have. Voting system Apollo have, others don't have. Allow third party plugins APL, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Tron have this feature, other don't have this feature. Authentication system APL have, others don't have. Balance leasing APL Apollo have, others don't have. Smart contract coming soon. Yes, this is the important feature which will boost this cryptocurrency, which will boost this price and mass adoption about this cryptocurrency. They are going to launch their smart contract feature, which only right now Ethereum have and Tron have, others don't have. File transfer they have and others don't have. Data cloud they have and others don't. Apollo have and others don't have. Transaction fee dividends they Apollo have and others don't have. Say from 51% attack they have this feature. BTC don't have, Ethereum don't have, XRP have and other mostly don't have. These all features they have. Sharding they have, sustainability they have adopted, forging they have, decentralized application coming soon. People can launch decentralized application on their system. Ethereum have this system, but Tron have this system, but others don't have. Transaction speed, you can see they have the transaction speed better than every other cryptocurrency, mostly all which are listed here. They have 1 to 2 second transaction time. Bitcoin take 10 minutes, Ethereum take 20 second, 4 second, XRP taking Litecoin 2.5 minute, and Dash 2.5 minute, XMR taking 2 minutes, and 5 second Tron taking. So you can see how lightning speeds their blockchain is. And now come to speed comparison chart. Apollo's speed is 1 to 2 second per transaction, XRP 4 second taking, Tron taking 5 seconds, Stellar taking 6 seconds, Cardano taking 20 seconds, Ethereum taking 20 seconds, NEM taking 60 seconds, Monero taking 2 minutes, Litecoin taking 2.5 minutes, Dash taking 2.5 minutes, Z Cash taking 2.5 minutes, Bitcoin taking 10 minutes, Bitcoin Cash taking 10 minutes. So what a lightning speed their blockchain have. And now come to privacy chart. Private transaction they allow, Verge allow, XMR allows, Dash allow. Okay, public transaction they Apollo allow, Verge allow, XMR don't allow, and Dash allow. And IP masking, Apollo have this feature, Verge have this feature, and XMR and Dash don't have this feature. IP masking encrypted, Apollo have, others don't have. Coin shuffling they have, Verge don't have, XMR don't have, Dash don't have this feature. Encrypted messaging Apollo have, Verge have, they don't have. Decentralized exchange they have this feature, other don't have. Sustainable blockchain they have, others don't have. And transaction speed I already told you. And now you see this once Cardano was similar to this track, where right now the APL Apollo is, and now people see that where is Cardano now at this time. It's around more than $1.90. So if you want to make millions, then invest your few $100 in this cryptocurrency as per my suggestion. But before investing, do your own research, so you can, it's your money and decision must be yours. So before investing, do your own research. But as per my price prediction, this currency right now it is below the half cent mark, and once their full-fledged features will be enabled, smart contract feature will be enabled, and other pending features will be enabled, like smart contract and yes, decentralized application. you will never be able to catch this cryptocurrency because it's a black horse which is right now sleeping. Yes, and once this horse will wake up, you will be amazed that you decided your decision was good to ride this horse. Yes, so it will be the future competitor of Cardano, Ethereum, and most other blockchains. But it have most very good features which others blockchains don't have. And its price is below the around 100 million mark, I think. And you can see how few hundred million will come to this cryptocurrency and where its price will be. So it is a black horse which is right now sleeping, and if you want to make good money in this, then decide to invest for a long time in this cryptocurrency. And team, now we will talk about team. You can see the team. These are the people: Steve, George, Surgery. These are the people who are behind this cryptocurrency. Yes, these are the good faces, good minds who are behind this cryptocurrency. And once this black horse will wake up and start running, this will leave behind all others. Yes. So it is the coin of the day, coin of the future, cryptocurrency of the future, and your millions of the future. Yes, your millions for your futures. One of my message came, so that's why I was busy. So if you want to make good money, this is biggest competitor of Cardano, Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, XRP, Tron, Polkadot. So decide and invest, but invest for a long time, because once I'm telling you my secret how I made money, how I made huge money just from $70 to 2 million, because I decided for my tips for all of you. And what I did, I'm telling you, I invested when nobody was investing in that cryptocurrency, and I invested when all were afraid to invest in cryptocurrencies. And I invested at that point when Cardano's price was around 2 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent, 6 cent. Yes, I invested at that time in Cardano, and I have some Cardano, but many numbers I sold around $1.17. Yes, my 3 or 4 average, my 3 cent investment I sold 50x. Yes, around 40 to 50x, $1.70. So this is the cryptocurrency. You can make millions by investing some few hundred bucks, few 100,000 in this, but you have to hold for a long time. I believe that once this black horse will start running, you will be amazed by riding this horse. Yes. Okay, bye bye. Please subscribe the channel if you like the video. Please share it also, and hit the bell icon and make a good comment, and share this video with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, so they can benefit too from this, from investing in this APL cryptocurrency. Okay, bye bye. Please subscribe the channel, hit the